There's something new at the Furchester Hotel.
Can he talk?
Can he talk?
Oh, he repeats everything you say.
He repeats everything you say.
And he's a quick learner.
Meow. Cookies!
Cookies! Where the cookies?
The Cookie Monster, that's just the parrot.
The parrot won't stop repeating everything he hears. This is a catastrophe.
And if they don't do something quickly, this might get confusing.
Cookie!
Where are the cookies?
It's the parrot!
Find out when we add new clips and build a playlist especially for your child by subscribing for free to the CBeebies YouTube channel.